Good morning, people. Good morning to everyone. And good day. Just want to give God thanks. I just want to give God thanks for all those who don't believe and for those who believe. I just want to give God thanks. I want to give God thanks. I have life today. I am able to speak. My hero. Yeah. I don't know. I just don't know, but I've been through a very serious situation. A one of a kind in my life. Yeah. I didn't know that today I could be able to speak. I have my witness, which is God, and my friend as a witness. You know, my situation I've been through. I don't know what plane or who plane. But I not say it's corona. And I not say it's a spell. But whatever it is, God had brought it through. But never in my life I ever find myself a scream so. Yeah! Feel my breath stop. I finish my live. I finish my live after 1 to 2 in the night. Went up, have a sleep. Then get up in the morning, warm up some soup off the stove, eat it. And that was it. Breath starts stop and pain over the shoulder. And if you try to take breath, pain squeal, me a squeal, like a little picnic. Yeah, squeal. Never in my life like that. Yeah, man, pain a bar. I have to call for help. Anyway, I get help. Not by the ambulance, because my friend on the phone, I rang him and he was trying to say ambulance. And I said, no, me a pray. And me a mix up the busy same time. I run up and down around the place and get me garlic and me busy and me boil it. Because I know busy is very good. In case it's the corona, it would counteract the poison out of the blood and the cell. Because once you drink those things, nothing can enter into the blood and it will resist every negativity that enter in, whether it's spiritual, scientific or physical. You know, busy great like that. It's a great resistor to any poisonous, you know, or any form of negative energy. Come back it. Yeah. I'm there, I scream for a while until I get help. I make the youth stamp the back with him and stamp the back. While I drink the tea, look at it and gap on. I don't take a deep breath. Because when I go down for a deep breath, I feel the heavy pain, so I have to scream and let go. Because every time I go for a deep breath, woo, screaming. So I take my time and flow on the little breath at top. I don't take a deep breath, I just flow on the little breath I have and blow through my mouth. While the medicine I drink is doing the operation and I'm praying at the same time, making nice praying. Everything in one, screaming and praying and everything in one. Sorry. Yeah. And I recover. And I feel nothing now. I'm just alright. No, it's good in myself and my soul. I just feel alright now. But I'm shocked by what had happened. And still I try to understand what really went wrong. Yeah. Then, if I not corona would have spell, and if it's a spell, it's like a Good Friday, like a sacrifice spell, kind of Thursday night. So if it's a spell, it's a wicked spell. People have a lot of knowledge out there now. People have a lot of knowledge. If it's a spell, the person know what they're doing good. But say if you know what you're doing good, God know what you're doing better. Right? In our time like now, we all live a sentence, you know. We all under for your bond, we undergo a sentence. We under sentence. Right now everybody under home arrest, house arrest. from baby to big people under house arrest. And if a man can't find the time, if in case it should be spelled, Bobby or voodoo, I want to try to do me. If a man can't find the time for you to spend on someone else in that way, that person have a lot of time. Because me short of time, there's so much things to do that I wish we have more time in the day. If they can find time to do that. I not underestimate people's knowledge, because there's a lot of knowledge out there and I don't know everything. And some people know some knowledge where it work. If you think knowledge don't work, yeah, enough people used to ignore the China man and think him silly. But see what happened? His knowledge dominate the world of everyone when it found out. That is what we're talking about. We're talking about knowledge. You can't underestimate people knowledge. After I done talk on the show, on my live program, after I finish talk about all the ministers to come out and all the God-fearing people and the religious people them to come out and come defend Corona. That's what happened to me after me done talk tonight. I don't know if I upset someone or what went wrong. But I've been through a proper beating. Whether it's Corona and God prayer and the home remedy recover me strong and healthy, that I can say thank God. Because with God all things are possible. It doesn't matter what. Even when the breath left the body, God can rise it back. That is his power. It doesn't matter what. Yeah. So I believe in God strongly that a man can recover from everything. But I'm saying, if it's somebody doing something, because I may say something, and it upset the person, that can be possible. All things are possible. You know, because after I spoke about all the God-fearing them, where they are, and maybe it upset someone, but if it's not so, then maybe I get a lick off of the G's or pass through Mr. 5G. But God is good and He's great. I just want to say thank Him. And if me upset anyone, I'm not here to upset people. I know people don't play with people. There's some people out there who don't play with people. And some people out there, some knowledge is not a play knowledge. See the power of Corona, 5Gs or whatever you want to say. See it dominated the world from a distance. That's power. A man steal a million miles from where he is and dominate you from where he is. Sorry. Before some of my good Rastaman friend them from out a yard and thing give me some good advice and say me the ranks. Powerful people get powerful fight. You know. And a lot of the encouragement where I just ask God to be here with me and stay strong. Because the love of the people, there's a price for love of the people. And we love the people them whosoever they are and wheresoever they're from. But the love of the people, it's a great effect from my heart to the nations. But there's a price for that, a consequence. You know, if you shake a man and wake him up and then he can't get up and slap you. So people who wake people can pay a price. A man have a chig up on him gun. If you hand on him gun and you wake him up, jump up, him could get a shot. So in life, with anything, if you wake people up, there's a price to it. Because they want to have the people in a sleeping route. We're not going down that now, because we know the talking carry a lot of effect to people, and we know the talking can carry some serious consequences. So we're not, we just say right now, we give God thanks and praise that we are here again, and we have life, and we can move on. And I love we have said to the people and the nation out there, we have said stay safe from Corona. No evil thinking. Don't sit down in the house and do anything to nobody right now. Because they want to give me that. They want wicked lick. Don't give me now. They give me one wicked lick. They make me squeal like baby. Yeah. They make the big man squeal like baby. You man don't touch me wicked now. And if it's not a touch, then whatever the touch is, it must be a cow. But I don't say what it is. But I say the pain there and the breath stopping there. And the agony the way me got you. Shadow star. If I saw, I don't deal with me away, man. God no man deal me away. But I say I love still. It's a forgiving brother, and I always a forgive people. I know, but I always a forgive people. You know what I mean? I say leave all judgment to God. But all me I see some people have some serious knowledge out there. When you attack, you have to know you attack. Even when you try to talk good things, you still are upset Mr. Wicked Man. Even if you attack good things towards the people, then you still are upset Mr. Wicked Man. So we have to just know what we are doing out there. Because we already have corona and a worldwide crisis are going, and people still are fight more. Right now, America attack all some places, same way secretly. So people still are fight secretly in the corona. Yeah, man. So if you say right now, I love to the people, them, you know. I don't want to build up no more evil than we more evil attack we already. We have enough evil attack we already. Now we don't need no more evil. That me I say. We don't need no more evil right now. We have enough evil right now. I say, give God thanks and praise. You know what I mean? And love and respect to everyone here. Yeah, man. Just stay good, man. Listen.